Yeah, guys. Once see linked list, we will discuss. Linked list I will program. Write the test, guys. Okay. I want to write three nodes. I want to write these three linked list program. I told you, right? Add first. Some we write some functions today. See, printf of I want to write, guys. Linked list menu. See, guys. Important it is. Okay, don't neglect linked list menu. I will tell you how to write first. See, first one is what? Add first, append, insert. Okay, we try to write add first and first one is what? Add first. Second one is what? Append. Three, display. If you want to insert also, we can insert it. Okay. Okay, see, guys. We write those also. If you want to insert, if you want to do any other operations also, we can do this. Clear screen, it removes the previous output. Guys, see, a linked list, all the operations we can do. I told you, right? I showed those operations. Those operations we can write. Self-referential structure is required, guys. Struct to student, take two fields, student number and student name. If you want to take a student number also, not a problem, right? Number I have taken. If you want to take name also, take a name. Okay, I want only number. If you take a number, take number, guys. Okay, struct to student, struct to student, star next. How many fields you want to take that many fields. Okay, here I have taken and take first node. If you want to take it first node, take first node, guys. Now I am taking first node. Initially take null. If you want to take last also, take last. Okay, first last I have taken. If you want to create a new node also, take a new node. Okay, now I am taking a, guys, new node. Okay, yeah, first see, if you insert, now I want to take, guys, save ll menu.c. See, here when you are writing null, we need to write as include stdio.h, guys, right? As include stdio.h. Execute. Yeah, add first, display, these three functions I want to write. Fourth one exit, you know, right? Fourth one is slash and exit. Remaining two function you can finish, right? Fourth one is exit. See, add first, append, display and exit. First enter your choice. You know, right? How to enter your choice. See, guys, printf, enter your choice. In trees also we write the same code, right? Enter your choice. Enter your choice. How to enter a choice? Scanf, guys, enter the choice. Take option here, guys. I want to enter option. Scanf, don't write a percentile address of O. Address of O. I have taken, see this option. Okay, declare option, guys. Enter O. Okay. If I enter one or two or three, guys, see, now I want to take if both are same, right? If O equals to 1 or Y equals to 2. Y equals to 1 and Y equals to 2. See, we need to enter the number and name. O value, we need to enter the 1 or 2. 1 or 2 is what? Add first and append. Okay, if we enter add first and append, enter the number, right? You need to enter the number. Enter the append, guys. Enter number. Okay, how to enter the number? Take a number. Scanf, percent ID, take address of number. Number declares the local variable. Okay, take a number. Here I will take it as this as s number. This is s number. This is number. I will take a local variable is number. Enter this number. If you enter one or two, if I add first or append, enter the number, guys. Okay, switch case, write a switch case. Now I want to write a switch case. Guys, what is switch case? O. If it is O is one or two, call those function. Add first or append. First append I want to call. Case one. Case one is what? Append function. Call append function. Now I want to call append. Append of pass the number. This number is there. We are entering a number. That number pass. Okay, you can pass to and q also you can pass. Q also you can pass. What is q? Q also take a q. What is a node? You can take a node instead of node, just pass it. Number also it's okay. Number also you can take and break. Only we are passing number break. Case 2. Which function you are taking? Append add first, right? Take add first. Call that function also. Pass a number. This is also number break. Okay, and case 3 display. Case 3 we need to call display function display of break. Okay, case 4. What is case 4? Or default statement I want to write. What I'm writing default printf. Guys, see printf what I'm writing here invalid choice. Invalid choice, right? See this. Okay, we need to enter this. We need to enter this. Everything you can keep in do while. Everything you can keep in do while. Now I want to keep in do while. You know this why I'm writing this. Do while of o less than or equals to 4. O less than or equals to 4. First, guys, add first second function, right? This is what append I want to write first, guys. Append first function. Okay, append. Take append function. Now I want to write append first. First append. Okay, what is that append function? You are reading that number, right? Take this number into number. Int is a number you are taking. Append function we are passing a number. Here we are entering that number. Take that number. Okay. Okay, we are taking a number, guys. Okay, guys. See, allocate a memory. How to allocate a memory, guys? You know this. New one equals to. How to allocate a memory? You know this. Struct to student star. Same logic. Struct to student star. Okay, malloc of size of. This is struct to student. Size of struct to student. Okay, now guys, I will show in paint. Memory will be allocated. New memory will be allocated. This is new one, guys. Yeah, you need to add also, right? This is new one. Number and next field is created. This is a number field. Next field is created. Okay, what is this field name, guys? You know this. That is the node name is new one. Okay, new one memory is allocated, guys. Now enter the number. Okay, already you entered number, right? That number ascend. How to ascend number? New one arrow s number equals to new one arrow s number equals to number. So this is s number, guys, not number field. This is s number. Yeah, this is s number, right? You entered s number. Okay, what is the next field? This is you need to assign. This is 100. Assume, guys, it is 100. This field you need to assign null, right? Assign null, guys. You need to assign null. Okay. How to assign null? We can assign null also. Here I want to assign, guys, new one arrow next. New one arrow x equals to null. And also create, guys, linked list. How to create a linked list? You know this. Same you have written, right? If first equals to null, if first equals to null, this is the first node, guys. Okay, new node is the first node. Already I told you this. Okay. Yeah, if first equals to null, create this the first node is a null. First node equals to new one. This is the first node, guys, and make it as this is the last node. Last node also this is the last node. Okay, this is only first, this is only last, guys. Okay, whenever another node comes, another node comes, you know this logic. Else, if another node comes, guys, this is the first node. This is only first node. And this is only last node, guys. This is only first, this is only last node. Another node has come, guys. Another node has come. Okay, who is first now? This is only first, but last next is there, right? This is the last next. Last next you have to assign new one node address. This is a new one, guys. Now it is a new one. Okay, this last next, this is a 2000 address, guys. This 2000 address we need to assign here. Already you have written, guys. This is the last next equals to new one. Last next, this is pointing to this is pointing to new one address. Okay, last next, what do you have to write? Last next equals to new one. new1 address. What will happen? This 2000 will point to this location. This 2000. Okay, you insert record guys. This is 1000, 101. Okay, what is this next field? This is a null. Default it is a null, right? This is where you can insert this. Now it is who is last. This is the last node. We have to make it as this is the last node. Okay, that code has to write last next equals to last new equals to new1 address, and who is the last node? Last equals to new1. This is, you know guys, right? This is a adding node. And display also, I want to display guys also guys. How to display? Void display, I want to display, right? Now I am writing display code also. When you are displaying from first node to last node, you need to display. First check it guys. If first equals to null guys, what is the meaning of first equals to null? There is no elements, right? Now what you have to write? It is empty, linked list empty. Okay, else part, if anything is there, okay, if anything is there, we need to move temporary, take a temporary, and temporary as to we have to take it as, right? Here you need to write guys, temporary you can take, temporary equals to first, temporary equals to first. Okay, what is temporary equals to first? If temporary equals to null, first temporary equals to null, then we can write guys it is empty. Otherwise we need to move that, those elements you need to write. Okay, while of temporary not equals to null. Okay, up to the last node you need to print temporary not equals to null. Okay, display all elements. How to display all elements? Printf of, we need to display those elements. Okay, percentile d print and percentile d and percentile u. What is percentile d? Temporary number and temporary number and temporary address. Next value you need to print temporary number and temporary next you need to print. Clear this? And we need to move to the next location. How to move to the next location? Temporary equals to temporary next guys, temporary equals to temporary next. Okay, it displays those records, it displays these records, and get ch close guys, get ch close. See guys, temporary you did not declare, it shows error, that's why declare temporary guys. Now I am declaring start temporary. Once see these two functions will be executed or not. The two errors are there. Undefined symbol, new1, new, where is new guys? Right, this is new1. One error, undefined symbol number, undefined symbol number. Yeah, this is s number guys, s number, possibly incorrect. Okay, it's not. Add first. Okay, we did not write add first guys, that function also we need to write, otherwise it gives. Okay, add function also I will write guys, void add first, void add first, take a number. First I want to take, we write later. Okay, declare this and we write later, execute. Linker first, append function I want to write 2, enter the number 102, press 3. Okay, showing error. Why? Because yeah, press 4. Why it showing error we discuss. Oh, sorry. Option value less than or equals to 4 you have to write. Exit function you did not write guys. Write exit case 4. What is case 4? Exit of 0. Okay, we need to stop this. Exit of 4 is 0, right? And come to the display function. Come to the display function. Temporary equals to first you have taken. First initially what you have taken guys? First temporary equals to first is initially null you have taken. Null you have taken, right? Okay, see, save once, ll menu.c guys, ll menu.c, once execute guys. See here, yes, first one, press 3. Okay, it is okay. Press 1, insert a number. First you inserted 10, press 3. Why it is showing empty? We check it. Why it is showing empty? See whether it is created or not. First is not a null, right? First is not a null. When you just come to the display function, it is taking is temporary is first. Okay, first append function is 1 or 2. This is we are calling Case 1 is append, right? In menu, what I have written? Menu. First add first. Yeah, sorry. This is add first, guys. This is add first. This is append. Case 2 is append. Case 2 is append, guys. 2 add append. 2 is append. 1 is add first. 1 is add first. Guys, see. We execute first 2. Press 3. Empty, guys. Now press 2. Press 2. Now enter the number. 10. Press 3. Press 3. Yeah. Okay, append function is executing, right? Append function is executing. If temporary equals to first, temporary equals to null, it's showing. Yeah, first equals to, sorry, double equals to, we did not write. Once execute, press 3 empty, press, sorry. Okay, we did not write about this, forget about this. Press 2, append, enter the number 10, press 3, first element, null address is there. Again, press 2, 1, sorry, press 2, append, 20 element, insert 20, press 3. How many elements are there? 10, 20, 10, 20, right? Third, again, one, sorry, 2 it is, append, 30. How many elements are there, guys? See, 3. Display 10, 20. 10 is pointing 20, 20 is pointing 30, 30 is pointing null, 30 is pointing null. Okay. Okay, now guys, see, fourth, if you want to show as a linked list, we can show as a linked list. How to show as a linked list, I will show you guys. Okay, instead of new line, this is pointing to this, right? But just I will keep arrow like this. We can show like this. Okay, see, run. First 3, there is no any elements. First insert element 10. I inserted 10, guys. Press 3. Yes, sir. 2. Insert 10. See, guys. First element, nothing is pointing. Okay. First again 2. Insert as 20. Press 3. Now see, 10 is pointing to 20. Okay, 20 is not pointing to any location. Why? Because it's null only. Like this you can point. Like this you can point, right? Yeah. Next, fourth exit. Add first, you need to, guys. You need to write, guys. Add first. What is add first? Okay, already list is there. List is there. Now we are creating add first. Okay, new node is created. That new node already first is there. Already first is there. We have to make it as you have to remove this first. We have to remove this first. This first have to assign to this location. We have to assign to this is a new node, guys. This is a new node. If it is a new node, okay, add first means what to do? Already first node is there. Already first node is there. Now we need to assign to this location. Now this is, you have to make it as a first location. Understood? New one next is has to point to first, right? New one first assign. If first equals to null, that is the first node. Two conditions you have to write. If there is no any node, okay, two conditions. If first is not node, new node is the first node. That condition you have to write first. Okay, see, guys. First allocate a memory. How to allocate a memory? New node you need to take. This is same. This same, guys. See, copy paste it up to this. If there is no any node, this is up to common. It is right. See, allocate a memory. New node I allocated, that S number I stored, that is pointing to the null, right? Okay. If first equals to null, that is the first node, but that is not a last node. Okay, that is only last node. That is the first node, that is the last node. If there is no any node, else Else what you have to write? If already first node is there, whatever the new node is created, that new node next equals to it has to point to first node. It has to point to first node. Okay, make it as that first node is what? New one. Guys, see, we'll execute this. Make it as a new node. Okay, that new one next has to point to first. New one next has to point to first node. Now it is a first node. When it is else block, okay, first equals to null, that is only first node, that is only last node. Guys, see, once execute, guys. Okay, sorry, and one more. This is not last node, right? If there is no any node, yeah, this is on left, correct one. Yeah, execute, guys. Now I want to display first three, any nodes is there, empty. First two, I want to add one or two. Press 3, only one or two is there. One or two is there. Yeah. Now again press 2, append 103. 103. And how many nodes are there? 102, 103 is there. 102, 103. Which one is missing? First 101 is missing. I want to add that. Add first 101. Okay, 101. Now press 3. See, 101. Yes, 102, 103. Okay. Again I want to add one more. Again I want to add one more. 100. Right? 100. Press 3, guys. See, 100, 101, 102, 103. That is add first. Same way we can add we can add insert position also. We can add insert position also, and everything you can write, guys. This is only append I have written, and add append display. If you want to insert also, insert condition also, you can write, guys. Clear? Any doubts is there? You have to do practice. Without doing practice, nothing will happen. See, I can't type all the programs, but you need to do practice. You are not writing the test also. If you have to write the test. Understood? If you have any doubts, ask me. I will tell you where you have done a mistake. Okay? Take half an hour now onwards, 9 to 9:30. Do practice. Clear? 9 to 9:30. Do practice. See, in front of you only you are typing, right? Okay. If I type program, I can learn I can learn the language. You cannot understand anything. You have to do practice, right? Insert condition is same as a no, insert condition is different, right, Arvind? Insert condition is different, not like add first. Okay, particular position I want to insert, guys. See that 4 nodes are there. If 3 nodes are there, I want to insert here. If you want to insert here, okay, if you want to insert, this is the first node, this is second node, this is the last node. What to do? If it is the last node, we need to move to up to this location, and we have to assign. That is different. Insert position also different. Which position you want to insert? Okay, if you want to insert that position, we have to traverse from that location. If you want to do third location, if you want to insert third location, from 2 times, you need to count how many nodes are there. You need to count how many nodes are there. First, second, we need to traverse. Take temporary node. 2 times you have to traverse. You have to traverse here. Make it as this is temporary. Okay, assign this address to this address to new node. Okay, temporary. This is, assume it is a temporary. Temporary next is assigned to new node. New node address is what? Next node. Okay, what is the next node? Again, it moved to that location and we have to assign. Okay, you need to do that insert position also. Okay, clear, guys? You understood, right? Same way you can write all the functions. Nothing difficulty. Just I type right. You have to do those programs one by one. Okay, at a time. If I see the program now directly, it is difficulty. Okay, what is